welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about art and craft. Now in today's video I'm going to be using the latest Papercraft Essentials issue number 180 to create a Christmas card. So if you haven't seen my other video where I showed you how you can create copies for yourself so that you can keep using your paper and all the other elements and stuff, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link up the top there in the right hand corner. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this. Now, as you can see, I've already pinched some, so and in my other video I pointed out that I was kicking myself that I didn't try to make a copy of these before I pulled them out. So guess what I did? I made sure I did it this time around. But yeah, they've got some really gorgeous ones. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you know, just to show you. Now, this is the issue with these. This particular one here, there's only one off. So once you run out of these, that's it, you know. But yeah, look at the paper. Like, isn't that gorgeous? So anyhow, what we'll do is we'll get stuck right into it. So if you've got this particular magazine, you can quite easily just follow along. So I'm going to move those out of the way. So that's one of the things that you're going to need. You're going to need some double-sided tape, some foam tape, some sticky dots, a scissors, a pencil, and a nail file. And I'll explain to you in a minute why we need a nail file. Actually, I'll do that right now. Now, this is the card that we'll be doing. But what I've done is, because when you pull these out, it sort of leaves like little lumps on there. So what I was doing was, with the nail file, I was just running along the top and also on the inside to basically try and remove the majority of it without damaging it. So there you go. Now, and I haven't done so, I'm not being very prepared this morning. Never mind. The size of the white cardstock, because we're going to need one of these, is 145 millimeters wide by 160 millimeters in height. The paper is 137 millimeters wide by 153 millimeters in height. And we might as well do it right here, right now. Start putting it together. And I've just grabbed my X-Acto knife. Now what I've done is, to make sure the video isn't too long, I've already put my double-sided tape on here. So what we're going to do is quickly take this off, the backing off. And this is so easy to do with having an X-Acto knife, because you can just basically get underneath, keep the sticky bit down while you're pulling the backing off. Just like that. Okay, so what we'll want to do is sort of line it up so it's kind of in the center. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, no, no. Ah! Okay, pull, pull. Come on. Ah! Okay, we damaged the paper. That's okay. We'll be right. I'll cover it up. No one will ever know. Okay, you guys will, but you won't tell anyone, will you? Okay, we'll just pull the rest off. Because this particular double-sided tape is actually super, super strong, so, oh dear. Anyhow, we'll put that down now, where it's supposed to go. And any little mishaps we can fix up. There we go. Oh, not fair. Anyhow, then we'll grab the first piece, the center piece, and we'll do the same again. We'll just pull it away. I guess we can all have one of those days where, you know, we're a bit clumsy. So, must have been that coffee that I had. It's made me just, yeah, just want to go, go, go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to sort of get that sort of in the center. Right about there. And put that down. And with this one here, I cut little pieces of the foam tape. Now, if you already got the ones that are just little ones, use them. Less time involved that way. Fortunately, I don't have those, so I have it on a roll, so I was just cutting it down. So I'm going to quickly take all this off, and instead of you guys watching me doing that, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so now that I've got it all off, what we want to do is get it in the right spot. And put it down like so. And hopefully I did kind of more or less, yeah, that'll do it. So we've done that. And then I used this one which says believe in the magic of Christmas, and I put some foam tape onto that as well. Now originally I was going to put it somewhere completely different, however I'm thinking I'll put it down here now so that you can't see the damage that we've made there. There we go. And I'm going to have to find something else because I need to cover that spot, and that spot, and then no one will ever know that I've done a boo-boo. So I will be back in a second once I've figured out what I'm going to do. Okay, so I've worked it out, and I'm just going to use these little stars. I'm going to put 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. So, in order to do that, where did I put it? There it is. I'm going to use my two-way glue pen. I'm going to take those 3 off. I'm just going to put some here, like so. That should be enough. And pick that one back up. Put it there. There. And there. And then we'll do the same over here. Just put some on there. Yes, I should really wait, but I'm not going to. So I'm just going to stick it straight on there. Move that one there. That one there. And I have to put a little bit more just there. So that one's got something to stick to. And we'll put that one on there, like so. And we'll do the same with over here. Put some there, some there, and some there. Oh, must have had more than 3 here, but that's all right. There you have it. Hey, get back on there. So soon that's dry, no one will ever know that we had a little mishap. So there you have it. Nice and simple, because they have made it nice and simple. And it looks kind of pretty. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to give us a thumbs up despite the fact of my little mishap. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified for more videos if you choose to do so. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.